we're back on the road. It's been a while. Up here in the borders, parked up near, well, in Selkirk golf course. So we're going to try and do a, not massive, about 35 miles, little circular. First views of the mountains. Be heading in that direction in a bit. Let's go. I've turned off the road and then I've come out now, heading into the woods by the looks of it. Plenty of my old friends of sheep to keep me company. It's looking good. Stunning views. So, nearly done my first 3 miles. Got about 11 today to do from my planned stop. So far, feet feel alright. Shoulders a bit achy from the bag, but I've stacked it up with stuff. Clouds are starting to show up a bit, but it's alright. I won't want it any warmer, to be honest with you. Just a long drag up on this road. Goes on a bit further than I thought before we cut off back onto the country lanes, but still nice, quiet. Only a couple of cars every now and then. And on it goes. Bow Hill Estate, it's lovely. Suitably rested. And it's lovely, right through the woods. I think there might be some wild animal down there. No, it's a tree stump. Anyway, not sure if you can see from there, but that's a lot of deer. Big boys. I don't know if you can see that, but down into Ettrick Ridge. That's where there's a pub. Hopefully it's open. In the woods, just in time to protect me from the rain. I don't think much longer till I get down to the village. I hope the pub's open and I want a pint. I've been told the pub opens in 2 minutes. Let's open right. Okay, suitably refreshed. Enjoy that lovely pub. Cross Keys. Recommend it. Well, it's a bit blustery now. I feel good after that pint. and just looking forward to sort of knocking off the last couple of miles and get my tent up. Sun's out, flipping heck. It was meant to be torrential rain today and it's absolutely bang on. Not long to go, a couple of miles tops, I'd say. Starting to get into it, enjoying it. Loads longer than I thought, and probably another 2 miles. So I reckon that'll be up to sort of 14, 15 today. Right. I suppose it's just less tomorrow, so can't grumble. Oh man. Knackered. Could have done without this at the end of the day. Anyway, I think I've got probably another couple of 100 feet of climbing, maybe 300 feet of climbing. And then it should level out to the loch. The rain's coming down a bit heavy now. Pretty views. Hopefully this will clear up in an hour. Looks like it should. Right off the beaten path now. See where it takes us. A couple of hours till it's dark now. I'll make that comfortably, I would have thought. Get the tent up, firewood. It's looking proper bleak now. Heading into there. Whoa, this is being hit by some storms. Shouldn't be a lot of wind tonight. Oh God, a lot of dead wood, so hopefully decent for firewood. Alright, I've just got to go up to the top of this, hook a left, drop down a bit, and then there's the loch. By God, it better be good. Coming down to the final stint. Well, that's the river. I bet we can get to the loch. Ah, here we go. Let's get down there. I can see the loch. There's a boat. And there's a cabin. Bang on. Alright, let's get pitched somewhere. Quick downpour. Tents up. Beautiful views. Tent's made up. Sleeping bag, bivvy bag, air beds up. That's not going down. I need to get some wood. Nice spot there. Couple of pork steaks, and some mac and cheese. But look at that. I think it's going to be pretty clear sky tonight. I'm pretty tired, I don't think I'll last that long. Right, back on the trail. Recommend it if anyone can come down here. It's I think it's Lower Shore Loch, but I'll put a little down there. Anyways, I'm going to get some water from the river and crack on. I think it's probably about 3 miles until I get back onto a road of some description. I ain't got a lot of food with me, but I should be right. Right, well good. I think once the sun gets up in the sky, it's going to be lovely. A little bit breezier today, but that's not a bad thing, especially if it's sunnier. Loch Helmore. That was option number 2 last night. Wow. Looks brilliant. There's a couple over there fishing. Looks like tents. And another loch. I think that heads out looking at it. There's the road, which I assume I'm going to be walking on for a bit. Absolutely beautiful. Plodding on in the heat through about 10 o'clock, 10:30. That takes me to lunch. I think it's about 5 or 6 miles to Wall, which is where I can get something to eat. Feel well rested. Back on the road. You all right, boys, girls? Just saw a lady gardening at a house. Managed to fill up with water. I was not liking my Loch water, it was very gritty. So fully refreshed, onward to food and maybe a pint. Oh, I needed that little rest, legs were feeling a bit tired. Still are, but anyway. Anyway, on down the valley, at the bottom is Wall Golf Club, where I should get some food. He managed to blag a bacon butty because they're closing up for a wedding and a pint, so I feel a bit better for that. And then I also asked if they could look after my bag, because I thought, why lug the bag for the last couple of miles when I can leave it and pick it up because it's on the way home. So I'm hot footing it now back to my car. I think from here on in it's pretty nondescript. So anyway, it's been a good trip. Enjoyed it. And then back home and then get packed for my next little trip to India. Going to Chennai next week. Looking forward to that. Seeing my guy Arjun. And yeah, great. See you later.